టాయిలెట్ మొండి మరకల్లో ఉంటాయి చాలా క్రీములు. ఇవి చాలా వ్యాధులను వ్యాపింపచేస్తాయి. కాబట్టి టాయిలెట్లో ఉండాలి మరింత శుభ్రత. శుభ్రమైన మెరిసే టాయిలెట్ కోసం కావాలి కొత్త నియో ఫ్రెష్ డోస్ టాయిలెట్ క్లీనర్. దీని నిరంతర శుభ్రత మీ టాయిలెట్ను స్వచ్ఛంగా మెరిసేలా చేస్తుంది. చిటికలో
You have the right to do certain legals, but you have no right under to abolish the 14th Bill of Rights. Please read carefully what it says. 2/3 of the Senate, 2/3 of the members of Congress, and 2/3 of the states must approve if in case a legal citizen or parents have a child in the US. So please abide by the law, give us exceptional repair. I am requesting Prime Minister Modi and our lazy chief ministers of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, when millions of Indians are suffering in the US, at least write a letter, talk to the consulate generals and ambassadors, have a heart, don't be that selfish. What I am saying to Chandrababu Naidu and Revanth Reddy. When I went to the US in 1989, only few thousand Telugu people were there and very few Indians. I have advised then President George H. Bush, then Bill Clinton, have a plan, make India a good partner, and China is your threat. At that time, China and US GDP was the same. And today what happened? China became the biggest threat to US. They have raised this big animal, the killer China, which is killing the economies of the world, creating coronas, sending to 200 countries and destroying the population like they killed millions of Indians, and Prime Minister Modi ji is unable to do anything. They are occupying the borders of India. They are killing our economy. Therefore, I suggested the 45th President Trump to sue China, and he agreed with me. And he threatened, he openly said, for $1 trillion. I prepared. So what I am preparing, all Indians listen carefully that are in the US. Don't worry, number one. Pray to God Almighty that the mind and heart of President Trump will change. Number two. Number three, my good friend John Thune is the most powerful man in America today. He is the Senate chairman. Pray for John Thune to intervene, because I am going there, meeting them, talking to them. Number four, join Dr. K.A. Paul's app at free of cost. Send your IDs presenting your status, which we will maintain confidentiality. Number five, very soon on April 18th, Los Angeles, Martin Luther King weekend, Saturday, come. Let's turn to God, and soon we will do a meeting in Washington, D.C. I am inviting the world leaders, especially Indians in America. You know, when I do something, I never fail.